In this video, I'm going to show you a niche that you may haven't seen before. And this niche, straight away, is sketchbook, which is very easy to create because it's just sketchbook. It's like drawing book. So it's only blank pages that the customer will draw on, will write on. So it's just blank pages. Literally, it's blank pages. So it's very easy to create. But I'm going to show you in the end of the video that this is a little bit tricky because Amazon doesn't like the blank pages that you upload interior without anything inside the interior. So I will explain that more in the end. So first of all, if we search about sketchbook on Amazon search bar, as you can see, the results are 6,000 results, which is a lot of results. So it's a competitive niche, and of course it's because it's very easy to create. It's like notebook. So if we type here notebook, we also will find a huge amount of competition because it's easy to create. But let's go back to sketchbook. So 6,000 results, that's a lot, but let's see the rankings, because rankings are telling you, are people buying these kind of books or not? So let's see. As you can see, 64, 231, 169, 4,000. But all of these are not from KDP. They are not independently published. So let's see a book that is independently published. So this one, I believe, let's see, yeah, independently published in 2022. Wow, this book is just before a couple of months before now, so it's not very old, and it has a very good ranking, 94. So let's see another one. So as you can see, most of them are not from KDP, but for example this one, I think this one is independently published and it has 630. Let me see. It was published on November 2008. Wow, this is very old. Wow. So it looks like it's not independently published, but I'm not sure. But what I can see is that the rankings are very incredible. They are unbelievable. What the 630, and in the beginning what it was, this one 94, 1000, 64. Bro, look at this one, 64, literally 64. This is unbelievable. So if that one is 64, the ranking is 64, let me show you something. Go to Amazon book sales calculator, select book, what it was, sorry, 64. Look, this book right here is selling or has 12,000 sales per month. 12,000 sales per month. This is great. So I'm not telling you that if you create a book, a sketchbook, then you will get 12,000 sales every single month. No. If you create one randomly, maybe you will get a couple of sales in the whole year. Maybe you will not make more than $100. So what I'm saying by calculating that, I'm telling you, or I'm showing you, that people are buying sketchbook. People are interested. People are still interested on buying these kind of things because Amazon is saturated. No, people still buying, and the increase of customers is also, must be increase on buyers, so on sellers. So sell and buy and sell. So it's equation from two sides. So yeah, 64 is incredible. You will not get it, I'm sure. You are unlikely you will get it. So, but what I'm showing you is that there is a huge demand on this niche. So the results are huge and the rankings are very incredible. So what's the solution? As we used to dig in, narrow in a sub niche or mini niche. So just type on Amazon. You will get so many sub niches, so many. This is from Amazon itself, and these red, green and gray columns are from AMZ Suggestion Expander, which is a free tool. You can add it to your Chrome. So you can go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 here, 20, 30, 40, 50 sub niche, and many of them, for example, if we type this one randomly, and you will get another few many suggestion. For example, this one, if we type again, you will find another 10 suggestion. So yeah, so there is 50 different niches you can go on, and some of these sub niches has many mini niches. So yeah, so what you are looking for, you will find a niche that still has some kind of good rankings and low competition, less than 6,000, because 6,000 are a lot. So what I found from some kind of search, I found this niche, notebook for drawing for cat lovers. This is also a sketchbook because it's for drawing, and it has only 345 results. And some books, for example, this one has very good ranking, 50,000, and this one 196,000. So there's some good rankings in this sub niche. So this is a niche. And this one, sketch for drawing for teen boys, it has only 1,000 results, and the rankings, this one is very good, 234, and this one is also very good, 137,000 results. So this is also a very good niche or sub niche, sketch for drawing for teen boys. And this one as well, fashion sketchbook for kids. So as you can see, only 338 results, and the rankings are incredibly very good. So 10,022, this one is very high, 7,270. So yeah, so you can find some sub niches, many niches that has low results, low competition, but you can find your own sub niches from all of these, or you can do your own research, find from here another niche. And by the way, when you choose a niche, for example, you choose, for example, for boys, teen boys, when you design your cover, design it for the audience you are targeting. So don't draw flowers or things for girls. No, you are targeting teen boys. So make that on your mind, especially when you're creating the book cover. So yeah, so this is what I found, and you can find yours as well. And let's move to creating the interior. I told you that it's just blank pages, but Amazon doesn't like that. Amazon doesn't like when you upload blank pages without anything, because of many reasons. I'm not going to tell, the video is not suitable for that. Maybe in other video I will tell you about it in details, but it's better for you as a publisher to create a outline or page number or anything, small things, on your blank page, because it's not lined and there's no design inside the interior or any words. So what I'm going to do, go to Canva, for example, or you can use even PowerPoint or any document, so it's free. So go to custom design, type 8.5 by 11, or your book, if your book is like that or any size, make sure it's in inches, create a new design. Then go to elements and go to lines and shapes and scroll down right here. Let's make a small outline like this, but this is very big. Let's choose another one that's a little bit smaller. So we'll choose this one, or let's choose another one. For example, let me choose this one and let it on. No, it's still big. It's still big. Yeah, this one is perfect. So just like this, make it bigger, like this, and then put it in the center like this. So make sure that there is some space here, and if you want more details in how much the space is, just go to Amazon help and go to, so press help, then go to book formatting, format your paperback, and then set trim, size, bleed, and margins, and you will find the sizes in details of bleed, margin, and span of everything. You will find them in details in Amazon itself. So yeah, it will be nice like this, or you can put the page number right here. It will be better. So then you will duplicate pages like this until, so this is page number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So if your book is 120 pages or whatever your number of pages, just you can create it easily for free, fast on Canva. What do you want more than that? That's for today. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.